Hey guys, it's Roxy with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown, and today I'm breaking down alternating shuffles and rolling shuffles. These are two very different shuffle rhythms, and so we're going to break them down. So let's roll, 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 rolling along. Yeah, that's the best I could come up with today, so let's break them down. All right, alternating shuffles. Let's get to it. An alternating shuffle is, all right, so it is basically when you jump onto one foot, you are shuffling out with the other. And a shuffle is just a brush forward, brush back, brush, 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 brush. So, and this is just simple change of weight. You're going to jump, shuffle, jump, shuffle. Jump, shuffle, jump, shuffle. Always bend your knees, and once you've bent your knee, you don't put those heels down. It's a very showy step, so you're going to stay up on your toes, and don't let those heels rock back. And you're going to keep it very even. It's a very light, airy step. So you're going to keep it light, you're going to keep it even tempo, and you're just going to, from side to side, as you jump, shuffle. Those are alternating shuffles. You could stay stationary. They can travel. They could go in a circle. So, you know, you can use them in a variety of ways. That's why they're used a lot in tap. So, that's why you see them a lot. All right, a rolling shuffle. A different sound. It sounds more like a horse gallop. And you, as you jump, well, I'll show you what it is. Trick with this is you don't want a lot of bobbing up and down. You don't want a really harsh jump and keep coming up. You want it to stay really even. And as, again, keep a nice bent knee and try, I mean, you're going to have some bob because you're jumping, but have a really nice loose ankle. You always want loose ankles too with tap, but that's how you're going to get that nice galloping sound with these. And you're going to want to, these are more stationary. So as you jump, you shuffle. That's when that shuffle comes out. A jump, shuffle. Jump, shuffle. So it's jump, shuffle. That's when it hits. All right? And they just keep, it's that same pattern. Jump, shuffle, jump, shuffle, jump, shuffle, jump, shuffle. To the other side, same thing. And those are rolling shuffles. These are most notable in 42nd Street opening combination. There's like a rolling shuffle combination. So that is the difference between alternating shuffles and rolling shuffles. Or to the other side. Two different sounds, two different patterns, two different rhythms. Keep your knees bent. Keep those ankles loose. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. Give this one a thumbs up if you liked it. Check out my next.